Thank you for buying this 10177 sign holder from Fixture Displays. This particular size is 8.5 by 11 and it comes in these three parts. We're going to show you how to set it up. It's fairly straightforward. Nevertheless, there are little tricks to make that perfect. You have this holder section, a silicone rubber seal, and then the base. I'm going to slide in a piece of graphics first, and then we're going to put on this a spacer or a silicone seal at the bottom. It's important to have this installed fairly clean and straight. Then we're going to pressure fit that into the slot. And this is finished. Dimensions left and right is 8.5 inches. Front to back is 2.5 inches. Overall height, including the base, is 12.2 inches. And this is 8.5. This would be 11 inches. We now put it on a spinner. The spinner is not part of the purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback and a product review. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs that's charliesam at fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.